Hello everyone, Notebook LLM has dropped an insane update and this is going to change everything forever. If you're a student or a working professional or someone who needs assistance with your daily work, this is going to help you a lot. These 6 new features are really insane and let's break them one by one. So before we get started, first you have to go to notebookllm.google.com and once you come here, just click on create new notebook. Here you can add your sources, you can add it from your Google Workspace or you can directly provide some links of your website or YouTube. Can actually directly insert YouTube video, which is really crazy, or else you can add your own text over here, plain text. If you have some small data or if you want to add something that is your own, which is not that much, you can directly add documents also. That is the plus point over here. And now I've added my documents and let's look at that. As you can see, I've added some subjects of MTech first semester of CSE. So these are the topics of those PDFs. It has around each one of them has over 50 plus pages of data. So now let's just say I'm a person who is preparing for my mid-examination or semester examination. This tool really helps me a lot. So now, as I said, right, the 6 new features are audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz. These are really amazing. And one more thing, which is the basic feature of this is basically, so the first default feature of Notebook LLM is you can add your documents and you can simply ask, summarize or explain or some particular topic about what you have uploaded, right? So let's just say, so this is my question and let's see how it responds. So as you can see, it's summarized and explained in clear regarding your subject. As you can see, oh my god, this is really a lot. How am I supposed to study? It even explained you from which page it has taken, right? These are the page numbers and it explains clearly. If you see, all of these are over the place, like each topic is in different page. So it has took all of that and clearly explained to you. So now we are going to look at each one of them one by one. So let's go with the first one, obviously the audio overview. Click on the audio overview, click on it. So this feature is something which was already there from the beginning. At start, it was used to call Notebook LLM podcast. Using that, we were able to create podcasts with 2 persons back then, and now it has been changed to audio overview. So it will take some time. So let's come back and watch that again. While it is generating audio overview, let's look at the feature of reports. Let's see what it gives on the reports. Click on the reports. So you can create your own report or you can ask it to give you a brief document of what this data that you have given about, and you can ask study guide, which is basically short answers and quizzes, and you can also write blog posts too. Oh, this is amazing. And it also suggests you a format. Oh my god, this is insane. Training manual, white paper, key concept, etc. So let's see, I'm a beginner and I want key concepts of the documents that I've uploaded. Let's click on key concept. So while it is generating the audio overview, it also generates the key concepts report. That is really amazing. And let's say we want the feature of the quiz. So let's just say you have studied that and you want some quick quizzes from the data that you have studied. You can also use this feature called quiz. Click on that. It will create quizzes for you based on the sources that you have uploaded. And the feature of flashcards, which is something even I'm not familiar, I didn't even touch it. So let's go and click it and see what it does. Okay, it's generating its own flashcard. So let's look at it while it generates, right? And the feature of mind map. If you are aware, mind map is basically, let's just say you connect one starting point of the node to the other nodes and these are interconnected, which is called as the mind mapping. It is mostly used by people who are they create flowcharts or organization structure, something like that. Let's see what kind of mind map it gives for us. And coming to the final one, which is video overview. This takes really a longer time to do and complete, but we want to see overview and I've already tested the video one. That feature is really insane. Like I did not expect it to give it like that. I mean, I was expecting something from AI stock clips or something, but this is really insane. I'll show it with you. Click on it, it will generate the video for you. It will take some time, but it will generate. So while the video is taking some time, I think audio is generated. Let's look at the audio. So this is the generated audio.
Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into a source stack that is, well, it's huge. It goes from agile development all the way to deep learning and even...
Okay, I'm playing it. You guys can listen it because I am not able to listen the audio. If I switch to that, I cannot record.
Mathematical logic.
It's a lot to cover.
It is. So our mission really is to just cut through all of that complexity. We want to give...
So I think that language is pretty awesome because I already tested it once. That's how you generate audio from Notebook LLM. And what do you think about this? So comment down below so that I can see how you guys like it. And if you already tested it, like while you're watching this video, if you already tested it, also mention in the comments how the audio has turned out for you. So let's now look at the quiz that it has generated for it. Oh my god, it's 15. Oh, I don't want to take this quiz, but okay, it's already wrong. That is why I hate it, because I did not prepare. Come on, guys. Okay, again wrong. Okay, that is correct. I was choosing. So like that, you can test your knowledge after you complete studying, or if you're working for your project. This helps you a lot. Okay, and now let's close this and let's look at the flashcards. Okay, so this is what the flashcards are. I was really not aware, and this is definitely not for education. This can be much used for the working professionals. I think that is much better for them if they use it, right? This is really good. I really don't suggest you to use the flashcards for education purpose. I mean, you can use it, but it only works for, you know, Instagram posts or LinkedIn posts, right? Not for to learn basically. And flashcards done, and let's look at the mind map, which definitely is not that much because I already tested it. It gives you like this. You can also ask for the others. I mean, it's generating you for free, right? So I think this is really good. I mean, to do it manually takes a lot of time. Come on. So this feature is not that great, but it's okay. And now that is done, let's look at our report. It gave, let me just look at the report. This is insane, because whenever I ask in the chat regarding to explain me in a table format, it never gives. But in the report, it actually gave a table. And not only that, it gave, explaining the key concepts like this. As you can see, multiple tables are there, and it explains what it is, and it gives about that, and you can also ask about that. And if you give good report, it will assume it's really good, and it will take the feedback and try to generate like that only. This is really insane, and I really love this feature a lot because it will be useful for me. So what do you think about this report? I feel like this is really good. From the, you have the general text right over here, and comment down below what do you think, how you have generated this report, so that I can see how it turned out for you guys too. And I personally feel like this is amazing. I mean, like, this is really, really good. So the only left one is video, and it is generating a very long time, but believe me, it will definitely be worth. Oh my god, the video took forever. Now let's check the video. Interactive mode. Okay, I think this is the video. So this is the video.
Have you ever stopped and wondered how all the software that basically runs our entire world is actually built? I mean, we picture people typing lines and code. To really get this, we've got to start at square one. We have to go back to the absolute bedrock of all
Video is recorded in the artistic style
pieces,
which is really awesome. See, as you can see,
start combining these simple statements using what are called logical connections.
this is really amazing.
P and Q are true. In every other scenario, it's false. It is this kind of absolute black and white predictability.
And if you're just starting, this is going to be insane for you. Like, this is absolutely insane. Google went just overboard with their upgrade. I mean, they are providing this for free. I mean, you can see this is my pro account for sure, definitely. But you can also do the same things in the free account too. If you don't believe me, you can go and try. Already I've tried in my free account only. Then only I came into my pro account to see if there is any difference. I'm sure there is some differences out there, but not that much. So now, as you can see, it simply doesn't summarize anymore. It basically generates a new audio video report for you, and also it also has mind mapping. Google keeps giving us this new and new updates, and I feel like at some point we are going to surpass the level of that imagination that we can even think of. So if you want to learn more tools like this and want me to deep dive into those tools like this one also, comment down below and let me know. I'll make the video on those two. So leave a like, follow and subscribe for more content like this.